Hi friends, welcome to Prasidh Adults Bangalore. In today's reel, I'll be showing you a beautiful iconography of Lord Vaikunta Narayana seated on a Adishesha. The speciality of this structure or the iconography is you can find the Gada on the bottom and he's placing his foot over the Gada. Sometimes in the Krishna or Gopal Krishna iconography, we can come across or we generally come across such postures where the leg is rested on a Gada or the mace. So this is with the Narayana himself here. So this is of about 6 to 6.5 inches in height and made up of copper. So let us have a 360 view of the same. So now you are watching a beautiful iconography of Lord Vaikunta Narayana Swami in the seating position over a Bhadrapita on a Adishesha of about 6 to 6.5 inches in size.